Here is the trailer that I've done. So this is all same thing again. All the custom light kits have been fitted into it. It was just a basic Tamiya trailer that's had a GT Power light kit, the flashing light kit put into it. These kits, they're cheap. You can pick them up about $15 US, I think they are. And they just work awesome. Like, I've never had any issues with them. This trailer still needs to be finished off. It's still got some bits and pieces for it that needs to be done, but majority of it's done. As you can see, some of the wires still need to be neatened up, cleaned up and stuff. But as you can see, the light kit's there tucked up behind the mess of wires, and it just runs off a little 2-cell LiPo battery. And that's it. It doesn't have the blinkers and that flash, but this is more so just for the plain lights. That's all I wanted it for. And you can just, like, you might be able to see, there's that little button in there. And that's all the lights down the side are flashing in different sequences. Like I said before, I enjoyed the GT Power kits. They just work every time. Don't have issues with them. They're great. You can do so many different things with them. You know, this kit is just a basic kit, and then you just add the lights to it. It comes with the lights, but if you want to change the lights and the colours and stuff like that, it's easily done. And yeah, the light kit himself, never had any issues with him. Okay guys, see you next time.